Medical journals are under scrutiny due to the funding of many authors' research by the pharmaceutical and device industries, raising questions about the integrity of the results. This video reviews a November 5, 2024 Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA, investigative report that uncovered more than $1 billion in payments from drug and medical device manufacturers, not to authors, but to the peer reviewers who accept or reject articles for the major medical journals. It raises questions about whether these payments fund research or influence it. A prior healthcare watchdog report highlighted accusations by RFK Jr. of corruption in medical journals resulting from industry funding. Editors defended their authors, noting strict disclosure practices. However, the JAMA investigation addresses an equally important group, the authors' reviewers, who are typically under the radar for conflict of interest (COI) disclosures. See our video review of RFK Jr.'s statements and the editor's responses, reference in the description. Peer reviewers are independent experts who evaluate the quality and significance of research. They advise editors on manuscript decisions and ensure adherence to ethical standards, playing a crucial role in the scientific publishing process. They are responsible for maintaining integrity, yet the JAMA investigation raises questions about the integrity of the quality control. The JAMA study aims to evaluate the prevalence and types of payments made by pharmaceutical and medical device companies to US-based physician peer reviewers of top-tier medical journals. The study scope includes 4 major journals: BMJ, JAMA, The Lancet, and NEJM, covering the period from 2020 to 2022. The sample consists of 1,962 US-based physician peer reviewers. Key findings reveal that 58.9% of reviewers received payments totaling $1.06 billion over a 3-year period. Most payments were research-related, but a significant portion was direct general payments. The research payments were the basis for the earlier challenge to the independence of the journal author's results. But this investigation shows that the group responsible for guarding that integrity is also receiving money. Direct payments included $34.31 million in consulting fees and $11.80 million in non-educational speaking fees. Fees for non-educational talks are unusual. Other payments covered meals, travel, and honoraria. Median payments to reviewers show a skewed distribution, with a few receiving the majority of funds. The median general payment was $7,614, while the median research payment was $153,173. Further investigation of this disparity is warranted. Transparency issues arise as peer reviewer disclosures are rare compared to editors and authors. Some journals require conflict of interest disclosures, but not public ones, hiding potential conflicts. Implications include the need for public disclosure of peer reviewer conflicts of interest, scrutiny of industry ties, and ensuring the independence of reviewers to maintain research integrity. In conclusion, the study highlights the prevalence of industry funding among reviewers and the lack of required disclosures. It calls for transparency reforms in academic publishing to uphold integrity. Unusual findings, such as fees for non-academic speaking engagements and disproportionate distribution of funding, merit further review.